Apat na minuto na lamang ang natitira dito sa first half ng Game 3 of the PBA Finals. Coronel breaks up the play para sa Santa Lucia. Here's Joseph Yo. Diba ang hinahabol ng Realtors, gunning for a 3-0 series lead. Ako sa tira ni Kelly Williams is Lanete.
Majusi ang lineup ngayon ng Santa Lucia, Miko. Ang lilit, handang makipagtakbuhan with a 3-card lineup. Pero may mas mabilis pa pala doon si Chico Lanete with that lane.
Practically a three-guard combo here para kay Coach Boyan Fernandez with Mendoza, Coronel, and Yo, and Mendoza!
Na-play off the Paulo Mendoza, itong depensa ng Pure Foods. After being given a pick, akala nila, didire-diretso sa layup ito. Pero mas effective yung jump shot niya. Parang layup na rin kay Paulo yan.
It's a 5-point ball game here in the second quarter. Rob Sands with the basketball against Mendoza. And now to Raimundo. 16 to shoot para sa Pure Foods. Here's Raimundo on the move, and Raimundo will score.
This is the domination of the player usually called the kid. Pero he's a kid no more. Na dito, veterano na ang mga galaw. Nitong si Kirby Raimundo now with 15 points. The leader score in the first half of play. At itinalapan niya ang pump pitong puntos sa kalapanan ng eyes of 10. Now makes it an 8-point lead, completing the 3-point play.
Izod, America's premium leisure wear. Known for technology-inspired team designs and colorful product line. Visit Izod store now. Mendoza with a pull-up from the same spot.
That's what we call a streak shooter. Lahat sa mga kita nito si Paulo Mendoza. One of those players kasama sa mga fingers yan, lagi nag-i-step up every time ipasok ni Coach Boyen.
Simon loses it. Here's the Renza. Joseph Yo on the move. And sana yung follow-up slam ni Kelly Williams, but that will not count.
Pero kita pa rin yung galaw ni Joseph Yo. Talagang pinapahirapan niya yung mga depensa. Although ang kombinasyon sa guardia ni Coach Ryan, Chico Lanete and PJ Simon, both speedy players na magkapareho pa ang mold nitong dalawang players na ito. Si Joseph Yo, living up to his billing as the Ninja. 7 puntos na ang kanyang naitatala rito sa ballgame.
Well, that has been the strength of Santa Lucia for the series, no? Yung production coming from the second unit. And that's why yung bench ng Santa Lucia, they've been outscoring Pure Foods' bench in the series quite heavily.
Although in this ballgame, maganda na rin ang mga bunot ni Coach Ryan dito. Joseph Yo will collect his first. Iiwanan siya ng isang hakbang doon ni Chico Lanete. Na talagang parehong plano, magtakbuhan itong dalawa dahil makakapahinga naman sila sa halftime break.
Alley-oop! Nice pass mula kay Lanete.
And good recognition on the part of Chico Lanete. Nakita niya ang bantay ni James Shop ay si Ian Coronel lamang. Higit na mas maliit kaysa kay James Shop. Kaya halos hindi na tumalon si James Shop doon.
Williams. Coronel. Good three. No good. Under 2 minutes to play dito sa second quarter. At lamang ng 7 ang Pure Foods, 55-48. And there's a foul spotted by referee Joey Galungkagi.
Christian Coronel, ayaw niya na mapagdoblihan ni James Shop. Kaya pumapose pa lamang si James Shop. He was more than willing to give up that foul dahil mukhang yung play ng Pure Foods na babasa niya, isi-set up na naman sa low post laban sa kanya.
At yun ang pang-5 team foul ng Santa Lucia. Next foul will send a Pure Foods player to the line. That is just a mismatch of gargantuan proportion.
Correctly so. At talagang pupuntahan at pupuntahan ng mga taga-Pure Foods yan. Ang Santa Lucia then has to react and give a help dito sa pagbantay kay James Yap. As we see the heart, ito mga veterano ng Santa Lucia. Malalaki ng numero ng Espino Mendoza. Si Aquino pa lamang ang wala ngayon.
So nasa kalagitnaan tayo ng isang 30-second timeout dito sa mga nalalabing bahagi ng second quarter. Lamang po ang Santa Lucia sa ating serye, 2-0. And they've made believers out of a lot of PBA fans. But Pure Foods is saying, huwag muna kayong ma-excite. Hintayin nyo muna kasi kami, we've recovered from 0-2 deficits before. We've done it twice.
At lalo ngayon sa Game 3, ang Santa Lucia nagugulat dahil alam natin ang Santa Lucia ay ang gusto nito mababa ng score. Pero no first two games, lampas 100 lagi yung na-score nila. Pero ngayon, eto, at sila ngayon ay 48 points pa lamang at nauumusan sila ng maigi ng Foods. So kailangan bumalik ang wisyo ng mga taga Santa Lucia and realize the defense that they've been doing from the eliminations to the semis na nagdala sa kanila dito. Kailangan pabalikin nila yan at hindi maaaring makipagpalitan na lamang sila ng baril dito sa mga taga-Philippines Giants. Ryan Reyes with 5 points. As we see Miss Mouse Fernandez
With Michelle Robles, daughter of Boss FC Robles. So special guest apparently ng Santa Lucia si Coach Queen. Top shot na. Meantime, here's Timon. Roger Yap on the move. It got change up from the corner. Double with a defensive rebound. A double attack. No goal. At penalty na po ang Santa Lucia. At si Espino tatawagan ng foul dito.
the nose for the ball. Lagay din natin yan sa watch list ng mga taga-Philippines. They have been very effective in out-rebounding Santa Lucia in these first two quarters of play. Na nagdadala rin ng mga additional points, especially for good rebounders like Romel Azuzol na ngayon ay nakakapagtala ng 2 puntos. Though he missed in the first free throw, they're still up by 7 points. Next with the second, that tatlo na ang putos nitong si Roman the General Adukot.
Walo ang kailangan habulin dito ng Santa Lucia with 1 minute to go in the second quarter. Nero Miranda scores off the glass. Nero now with 9 points in the ball game. Six-point lead para sa Pure Foods. Another minute to go in quarter number 2. Roger Yap, hang time. And Ryan Reyes got the basketball. Abulan. Reyes out the way. No! Christian Coronel with an offensive rebound. Miranda attack, zigzagging inside. And he scores. That's a foul.
Napasigaw pa si Denok Miranda. And he deserved that shot. Sapagkat ang hirap ng pinagdaanan ni Denok Miranda, pinapakita pa niya at tinamaan yung kanyang labi doon sa kanyang atake na yun. With a head and shoulder fake, considering the play.
Hard foul given up by Rob Sands,
making sure na foul na ito.
But Denok Miranda also made sure that he got the 3-point play. And so it's just a 3-point game in favor of Pure Foods with 35 seconds to go in the second quarter. Walang gusto magpaiwan dito sa ating first half.
Sa dako ng Santa Lucia, surprising us, Denok Miranda suddenly stops scoring now with 12 points for the Realtors.
That's where the main free throws.
There's a foul on Ryan Reyes. Gusto maganda pigilan. Inbound pass pa lang ng mga taga-Pure Foods.
You can probably call that a rookie mistake on the part of Ryan Reyes because he picked up his third personal foul. And then he sends Rob Sands to the line with less than a minute to go in the first half.
Kaya nga, hindi na kailangan gawin. Nakabuti lang ito. Nabit si Rob Sands yung kanyang unang attempt mula sa free throw line.
And you know, Reyes has had a problem managing his fouls because he's fouled out in every game of this series kung yaw nagkakamali.
Sinisigurado niyang gamit na gamit ang kanyang 6 na fouls.
Making a page from the Homer Say philosophy. You share your fouls. You don't need to save it and bring it home. Here's Espino. 25 seconds to go in the second quarter. Apat ang hinahabol ng Santa Lucia. Bagsak si Adugol and it's a blocking foul.
Dalawang veterano nagtapatan doon, ano? Yung galaw ni Romel Adugol, halos hinila niya para tumama sa